Hello everyone. Hi. So we are at the apple farm today, the Wilson's Orchard Apple Farm, and it's the biggest apple farm that we have in this area. And I believe you're gonna have fun. It's gonna be really fun. And Ansh is here, right here. See the small face here. Ansh is also enjoying here. See that? Right. So we'll start walking from here. All right. This way. Go. So guys, as you can see that it's a long way. Show it to the camera there. We don't know how long we have to walk, but it seems very long way. So guys, you can see that here. Do you see that this little farm here?
It's a pumpkin
We have
farm.
these big pumpkins here.
Or flowers.
See? Yeah.
And their roots are
Over there,
attached.
right?
Their roots are attached.
And if you cover over there, you will see the big pumpkins. Just come here. Yeah, and over there from.
And the roots are connected to another root where they pick water.
Water?
Yeah. They're attached.
Yeah.
And
They're still growing, right? See, they're so big, right?
And if you take the seeds out, you can have a pumpkin pie.
Yeah. You're right.
It hurts. So we're in this apple orchard tree where there's so many apples up there.
Yeah, you can see, this whole tree is completely laden with the apples.
And
There are
it
different
is-
kind of, green apples over here.
And it says a little red, ripe in May, September.
Little red, yeah. So we can, just enter
Whoa!
from here.
So many.
This is the entrance, as you can see, right? So we'll go this way. Okay.
Some apples are down.
Follow me.
Some apples are very down in the bottom.
Yeah. All right.
So much.
Yeah, this looks very big orchard here.
Yeah, it
Right.
does.
But make sure, Ansh, that we maintain the distance from the people. Okay. We
Okay.
don't go very close to the people because you know that the corona is over there.
Yes, guys, so many apples on the tree.
Yeah. This tree is full of so many apples over here, and Ansh has picked one apple. All right. Good.
And back you go.
Okay. Yeah. See.
How many apples
This
do
is
we need?
completely a big tree.
How many apples do we need?
Well, you can pick some good apples. Alright? Okay? Yeah. Yeah, we don't have to pick up any green apples. Okay? And we just have to pick up the good apples over here. Not every apple, okay? Don't destroy them. Okay?
Only the red apples
Yeah.
that are on the tree?
The red apples and the good ones. Right? And look at this one. I think this one is also good.
How about this one?
Well, you can. I mean, there's a trick, to pick the apple. Not like that. So I'll show you.
No, like dipping like that.
I'll show you.
So Dad is gonna show me the trick of how to pick up the apple, just pulling it.
Not pulling. You don't have to pull.
These
Here,
are
from
all
here to
the
there.
red apples.
Yeah, do you see these red apples here?
Yeah.
Yeah, these ones are very good. And I was showing you the trick of picking up the apple.
Yes, you did.
So I will show you more. Okay, how do you pick the apple?
I remember how.
Yeah, it's completely laden with red apples. These are looking very good. Right? Not like that. So I'll show you. Okay? So what we have to do is we have to just pick up an apple where we have to pick. And the trick is that you have to hold an apple like that. Hold apple like that. Okay, like this. And you have to just do like this. So see this. It's very easy to pick. You can't just pull it up. You have to just do it like that. Okay? No, not like that. I'll show you. Come here. Come here. So you have to use this hand. Okay? And hold it like this. Okay? Okay? And just do it like this. So this is how you pick up. Okay? If it comes very easily, that means that it is ready to be picked up. So I will do this one. Okay? And hold it like this and just do it. It's very easy. Very simple trick. So I would like to show you from the beginning where it starts. So you can see, the whole bunch of apples laden on the trees, and I have seen, this for the first time. Very many apples laden on these trees. Okay, let me show you the other side of this also.
There's so many apples, red apples.
Yeah, you are right, Ansh. There are so many apples here laden. All these red apples over here.
So many!
See the other side of this. This is a complete bay where these apples trees are looking so beautiful. This one, see this one.
Are so many red apples, and over there were green and red apples.
See this.
But this one is all red.
Yep. This one is so good, man. Okay. Ansh is still trying to pick and using the technique to pick up the apple.
I did it!
Here. And let's see. Let me just show you very closely. Yeah.
She's trying to.
Oh, very easy, right?
And she's good at that.
Oh, good, great.
Just like that in the picture.
Okay. Ansh, would you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Easy.
It just came off automatically.
Hey, this is just like the picture of an apple.
Okay, great. Okay, we'll go the other side and show.
Over there.
As you can see, the long way, as long as we walk here and go all the way down, we will see the whole apple farm and the different kinds of apples, red, green, yellow. We'll see, which ones are the good apples here.
And these are Honey Crisp.
Yeah, you like them?
Yeah, but the actual we will find out when we taste it.
Okay, yeah. That's how you taste and know which one is better.
What?
Let's go the other side, I think.
These places are big and giant, and people get these orchard apples. They think which one's better.
Okay.
And they're cool and
These ones are looking good, right, Ansh?
yeah.
So what I can do, I can use the same technique to
use
pick
the
them,
trick.
right?
Using the trick.
This one, no, not good. Okay.
Is this section of Honey Crisp? That will find out when we eat them.
Here I can pick few of them. Okay. This one is good. This one is a little bit raw and seems good, so I'll just keep it. Okay.
Now looking for more apples.
This one not good. I think these ones are still not ready to be picked up. So what we'll do, we'll go the other side. We'll see. I am at the a bay wherein we have just the green apples. So I would like to show you these green apples. They are very rare to be seen. So if you see here, like these, right? These are all laden with the green apples over here. There is no red apples. These are a different bay altogether. So this is where you go. See this. This is a very unique farm, you can say, and I didn't know about this farm. I just came to know recently, so I just thought of making a video on this and show you guys, so that you can also enjoy and feel how it feels like, you know, to be in this orchard. So as you can see, you know, this ends here. So these are all, you know, green apples over here. I don't want to pick them because I have never, you know, used the green apples, how they feel or tasted like. Right, so I'm at the different kind of apples bay here. So you will see what kind of apple, and let me just show you, okay? They have tagged this complete bay here, and this is called Linda Mac apple. So let's see and, you know, find out what kind of apples they look like. Do you see this? This is neither red nor green apples. They are just mix of the red and green, and they are still, you know, ripening and looking good. Yeah, see this.
So they have 4 apples. One is Red Rome and the other is Wolf River. One 18 and 18, and the other is John Amek, and the other is Grimes and Golden.
Yeah. So we'll see this way. Okay, come this way. These kind of apples look like this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
These are neither red nor green apples. These are very red, you know.
I want
These
to
apples.
pick one.
You want to pick one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can pick. Not like that.
Did it into the bag.
Okay.
Look.
See, Mama is also, you know, teaching you. Good. Yeah, like that, right? Nice. Okay. This apple is completely full of apples.
And cool.
Yeah.
This is gone up a little bit.
Yeah. You know, you see this apple? What I will do is, I will hold this like this, okay, and pick it up like this. Give me the bucket. Where's the bucket, Ansh? Okay.
You have it.
Here it is.
You didn't know.
I am holding this. I don't know. Okay, I'll just put the bucket here, and
What?
this one is good. Maybe this one.
Dad.
Just hold it like this, and okay, start going.
I picked it.
So I will pick this one.
Guys, I picked this one and I didn't even do the trick and it just came right off. I
Yeah,
didn't
it
even
just came
do
off,
the
right?
trick.
Yeah, because this is ready to be picked up. Okay. I'll do this one. No, this one is green. I'll go this one. This one is looking very good. Wow. Okay. This one maybe. Oh, this just came off.
Like that one.
And this one too. See?
Look at this apple.
Wow.
It's a giant.
Giant. It's so big. Good. Can I pick this one? Come here. This one is very good. I think what I'll do is I'll just put. Oh! It just came off automatically. Just go and put it in the bucket. This one is also good, looking good. So I'll just hold it and.
Wait,
Yeah.
not that heavy.
Yeah, good. This one is just came off. See? Yep,
get
ready
this
to be
one.
picked up. Look, they're very good. I think
got
that's
this
enough,
one.
right?
I got this one.
We have got these many apples.
And I got this
See?
one. And one more in the bucket.
This one is green, Ansh. Just put it there.
Okay.
This one looking good, right? Full of bucket.
But I can hold it.
You can hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. and I just wanted to show you the last bay of the apples. These are the same apples that we showed you in the camera before, and these are still blooming up. So that means that they are still ripening, and they are will be ready to be picked up in just few days.
And
This apple
has
tree,
thousands of them.
yeah, I mean, if you can see, this is completely laden with the apples, right? And some of them, if you see the below down here, you will see lot many apples which have fallen down over there, right? That tree also is good, and have a lot of apples over here. So good. The whole bay is really good. I mean, there are a lot of apples which are ready to be picked up. See this, the whole, it's a big farm, man. It's really big.
It's more than just big. It's a gigantic.
Yeah, it's very big, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I believe you will enjoy this. Please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. That really keeps us motivating and make these kind of videos for you. Okay. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. You want to say something, Ansh?
I hope you liked this video about coming with the farm with us. And if you like it, share, and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.